Hey guys, in this video I'm going to show you how to make group chat on Snapchat in 2022. It's very simple and easy. When you open your Snapchat app, go to chat option, tap on the chat icon at the left corner here. Tap on three lines at the top right corner. From pop-up menu, tap on new chat. Now we should tap on new group here. Now choose user who you want to include into your group chat. I select my friend, you select your friend. Don't forget to name group. Tap on top and enter name. After adding two friends to your group chat, tap on create group here.
If you guys have any questions, let us know at the comment below. If not, don't forget to like and don't forget to subscribe.